In today's video, we're going to talk about something that I've really been working hard to understand, and on my journey in doing so, it has really helped me grow my digital marketing business far faster and has helped me make a whole lot more money. What's up, guys? My name is Stephen Horn. I am an affiliate marketer and online entrepreneur, and on this channel we help you grow your income, impact, and influence using your affiliate marketing business. When I first got started with my affiliate marketing business, one of the first things I used to always do is start building my landing page for my sales funnel. However, I realized in recent months that there is something much more crucial to making money online before you even get to the phase of building out your landing page. The first important step that you want to take when you're building out your sales funnel is determining your traffic temperature. There are 3 different levels of traffic when you're trying to get people to visit your website, social media platform, or sales funnel. Warm traffic, hot traffic, and cold traffic. Each one of these traffic sources requires a different form of communication before your visitors even reach your landing page. And yes, that sometimes means that you're going to have to make 3 separate landing pages for the 3 different traffic sources. Now, the way that I stumbled across this information is that I reread the book called DotCom Secrets, which you can see right here, and I leave a link to this in the comment section down below, and you can get it for $1. Now, I had read this information before, but I kind of looked completely over this. And what this had caused was every time I would launch a new sales funnel, I would have to get more than like 200 people into my sales funnels before I seen somebody actually opt in and then go through and buy the product. You do not want that to happen with your very own sales funnel. So in today's video, we're going to cover what is traffic, the 3 levels of traffic, and which one of these 3 levels of traffic is the most valuable to your business for you to learn to communicate with. With all of that being said, we're going to start off with cold traffic. Now, before we get into what cold traffic is, let's first talk about what is traffic. Traffic simply refers to the number of people that you can get from one place to another, mainly your social media platforms, your websites, or your sales funnel. Now, cold traffic refers to people who have a problem, but they don't yet know of the potential solution to the problem. Cold traffic is by far the hardest amongst all 3 levels of traffic to talk to, mainly because they're not hanging around the other group of people who know what the issue and the solution to their problem is within your marketplace. Most of your time trying to get traffic will be aimed at trying to get either warm traffic or hot traffic, or at least that seems to be the case in my experience. Which leads us into the next traffic source, which is warm traffic. Warm traffic typically refers to the group of people within your marketplace who know what their issue is and they know of the potential solution to your issue. However, the biggest problem that you and I as marketers have is that they don't know of us yet. And so our biggest problem here is building credibility and rapport with the people inside of this traffic level. Now, there are many different forms of warm traffic. One of my favorite forms of warm traffic is solo ads. Solo ads are warm traffic because the people on these solo ads list know exactly what issues they're facing and know the potential solution to the issue, like I said before, but they just haven't met you or I yet. Through solo ads, or to be more precise, email marketing, we can then start building a relationship with these people in order to attempt to get them to buy a product or services from us, either immediately after joining our email list or later on down the road. Now, ideally, you want to send them to a product as soon as possible. At the same time, you want to work on building a rapport with them. Even after you send them to through the first product and they do or don't buy, you want to continue to send emails to them in order to build rapport by sending them valuable information through your emails. This could come in a form of a YouTube video or just random information that they may use to get a little bit closer to solving their problem, or a free download such as a PDF, guideline, or ebook, or anything like that. You're trying to build trust and rapport so that it becomes far easier in order for you to sell to them later on down the road. Another form of warm traffic is people who follow your competitors. This is actually one of the reasons why it's very important that you follow and engage in the community of others with inside of your niche. It makes it far easier for you to start building your own list of people or your own subscribers. This leads us to hot traffic sources. Hot traffic sources are the easiest to sell to out of all three traffic sources. This is the traffic source that you want to build an abundance of. Hot traffic sources are so easy to sell to because they typically know who you are and what products you are promoting. They already know their problem and all possible solutions to their problem. They even know what products that you promote that might help them solve their problems. Now, the traffic sources that make up this traffic levels are your Facebook group members, your Facebook friends, your Instagram followers, your TikTok followers, the people who view your content on YouTube, the people who listen to your podcast, the people on your email list, the people who engage with your newsletters. These people, because you already have a established relationship with them, you're going to talk to them as if they're your friends, because they are. So now that we covered all three traffic sources, which one of these do you think could be the game changer for you to learn to communicate with your business? Go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you said cold traffic, then you are 100% right. That is because while you start off going after warm and hot traffic, eventually down the road, which is kind of where I'm at right now, you're going to have to start learning how to talk to cold traffic. Cold traffic, if you want to look at it, if you want to look at the different levels of traffic as a pyramid, cold traffic would be at the bottom. It would be the largest group of people within your market space.